Hello my friends, welcome to Inside Electronic channel. Uncle Misha is with you, and today we have something broken. Hope you remember some time ago already reviewed this H7 LED light I bought off Amazon in attempt to replace some of the lights in my car. Turned out to be, I better show you, turned out to be they didn't last that long, so I show you how the heck it looks like. So, okay, it is powered right now with 5 volt, and the reason I done that, just to show you, let me reduce some brightness and you see what I mean. Okay, you see what's going on here? Alright, let's just look another side, see what's going on here? Alright, so this thing didn't really die per se, it was barely producing any light. So now it is 5.5 volt, let me put it to 13 volts. Yeah, okay, 13 volts, a little bit brighter, right? But yeah, not much brighter. Do you know what is the current right now? Current right now is 4 milliamp. Okay, the 4 milliamp, like, I'm not crazy, right? 4 milliamp WFT. So this stuff is clearly busted, and I think it is busted because of this little dude here. So the fan stopped working, hence all this jazz stopped working. So I'll quickly unscrew this thing and take a look what the heck is going on with the fan. But essentially this is goner. Now my car is like one-eyed and I have to figure out what the heck I'm supposed to do. So let's bring the brightness to the appropriate level and try to open this guy and see what the heck is going on with the fan. But because fan is, yeah, it is spinning, but it's spinning very, very stiff. It is stiff. Okay, let me grab a screwdriver and we take a look what's going on there. 4 milliamp. I could not believe it. Yeah, it's barely producing any light. It's probably here as well. No. Is it? Probably yes. We can do autopsy of this thing with no problem because no one gonna use it anymore. Yes, it is. Okay. Here we are. Fan is not even spinning anymore. Weird. Is it coupled somehow? Oh no, not one more. There are 3 little bolt over here. Curious, how can I reuse this assembly? Because definitely it's not gonna be used for, oh my god, for LEDs. Okay, let me completely tear it down then. Isn't it how this channel called? Inside out. Let's just take it inside out. Yeah, and see what the heck is going on. Okay, so we can, oh no, it's not, oh wow, okay. Well, back at the time when I reviewed this thing, I did not do tear down of any kind, so here we are, we have an opportunity to actually get to the bottom of this guy. Yeah, sure. Ta-da! Alright, yeah. Oh yeah, it has some thermal compound, like a little bit of it. Yep. Okay. I'm not sure what's going on here. Let me measure the voltage because it seems like it's just maybe this even this guy is Gonski, I don't know. I measured the voltage on LEDs, I mean. Yeah. Okay, I've done a little bit more wide angle. So we have our multimeter right here and the voltage is What is going on here? Voltage is... Oh, it's millivolts over voltage. It's 13 volt. Right, I mean it is 13 volt. What about here? 13 volt. So 13 volts supposed to be fine. This stupid fan supposed to rotate. Actually I sort of free it up, but still no go. Okay, so this the driver potential is working. Okay, I'm putting 13.3 volts. $10. Okay, yeah. It clearly outputs the voltage straight to LEDs. 10 volts. The problem is I can't really do anything with this guy because it's completely silastic inside. So I have to like really take it to shreds and like to deal with the gunk inside. Yeah, I don't really want it. Like, I don't know if you saw it or not. Last time in my video I tried to take a look what the heck is going on here. It is good. It's actually silastic or silicone, because I mean it's just, you see, it's just potted, like, right, it's not much I would be able to do. Yeah, so driver probably is fine. I don't have any good LED to test this because it has to be 12 volt rated LED, unless I just drop the voltage on the power supply, but I don't have anything like that. So driver itself can be reused for something. LEDs are definitely Gonski. Unless let me try the following thing. Okay, let me turn it off. Okay, current limit. Let's do current limit 50 milliamp. 10 volt is fine. Sorry. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's aluminum backing here. Pfft. Okay, have to fix that. Why power supply is shutting down? That's why. Because I'm an idiot. Okay, that's gonna be better. Thank God for the... Alright, so they barely consume anything at 10 volt. This is like unbelievable. Few milliamps. Like, I mean, is something wrong with my power supply? Alright. I mean, okay. That's just, if this is the case. I have to test it. I couldn't believe it. It's like almost nothing. 6 milliamp. 6.4 milliamp. Well, that's wrong polarity, but whatever. Okay, well. And fan is not spinning, but that's the reason I wanted to, let me do to 12 volt. Just in case. $10 milliamp. Okay. So clearly, I mean, I don't even know why I'm doing this video, because I just want to probably show you how shittily what's happened to those LED lights over the year or year and a half. So they clearly a piece of junk. Yes, I didn't pay much for them. I think I paid $20, but clearly I got what I paid for. I'm not sure how can I reuse this contraption, but I clearly can reuse this driver inside. So I will do some experiments with it, and I will understand what this thing is capable to. What's the unfortunately I don't know what's really inside. I just need to play along, probably probably to figure out what's the actually the constant current of this device. So we'd have to, so honestly guys, yeah, the only reason I'm making this video for you to understand how crappy some of those LEDs are made, and they are not designed for really extensive use. So we'll see what's happened only after not long time of using this stuff, and some of them claim some outrageous amount of work hours, but they are clearly not going to survive that long. And you know why? It's not this is the culprit, not LEDs themselves. This piece of shit, if it fails, it's essentially game over. This thing gonna overheat inside of your LED, potentially even causing some cracking of your light housing. So keep that in mind. So I'm not sure what would be the good actual example of LED light, because this is new crap for me. This is new technology. Like I never used LED lights in my car before. I used to have HIDs, and those are, I think those are great. The problem is they would take a lot of space because of their additional circuits, so they require the driver, which is like quite a beastie piece of box. Like you cannot hide it inside your housing, you have to be dangling somewhere outside. So this is the only problem. This was actually a great idea because fits right in the housing, and actually this thing fits inside. There is plenty of space inside the Subaru Outback a headlamp. Yeah, turned out to be this one is Gonski. The another one still working, but who knows how long it's gonna last. So now I have to like, the problem is specifically in Subaru, it's very hard to get to those. For example, on a driver's side, you have to like take the battery out, and it's a bit of a hassle. So like I don't want to do this a lot, you know, taking in and out just to check if the stupid fan is working. On the other side, you have to take the fan, the filter enclosure, like push it to the side in order to get to your lamp, to your headlight. It's just really annoying to get to it. For example, for my other car, old car, Malibu Max, it was super easy to actually get to headlamps. You can just do whatever you want. In this case, it's not. So guys, this is a little video for you when I show you how crappy some of those Chinese LED headlamps are. Hope you make your own conclusions, and probably you get what you paid for is the right expression in this particular case. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.